Hello, and welcome to the ACCSP's Assignment Tracking Application video tutorial for super users. This portion of the tutorial will cover general login information, an overview of the ATA, the site assignments, and Headboat Assignments pages. For your awareness, you're able to skip to whichever topic of your choosing by selecting the associated timestamp for that topic. For your awareness, the purpose of the Assignment Tracking Application tutorials is not to cover procedure manual items. In order to log into the Assignment Tracking Application, or the ATA, users must receive a username and password from the ACCSP. State leads can request this information for users by emailing the ACCSP Rec Support email seen at the bottom of the login page. With this information, users can enter their username and password and click the Login button to access the ATA. If using a temporary password and once you are logged in, users should click Change Password in the upper right corner of the ATA. Once clicked, a page appears allowing users to create a unique password of their choosing. On the home page, you will see the options to change password or log out in the upper right of the page. Towards the bottom of the page, you will find the latest version of the Dockside Interceptor applications, or DIA, for your reference to ensure that the application is up to date on your tablet. In the upper left corner is a three-lined icon. Once clicked, it expands the navigation menu. Within the navigation menu, you are able to click directly into a page. There are also pages with collapsed menus, such as the State Data Edits page. To expand these menu options, click the arrow to the right. Then click on the specific page to directly access that information. Next, as a state or regional lead, you're given the ATA, or the Assignment Tracking Application, user role of Super or Supervisor. As a super user, you're able to enter information on various pages, edit or view interviewer information, and change privileges for field staff within your state. Additionally, the ATA is available to view on your phone, so if necessary, you may check site or Headboat assignment schedules and information on their respective pages if away from your computer to check your schedule information. The Site Assignments page contains all information associated with site-based assignments and includes the monthly Access Point Angular Intercept Survey, or APIS, site assignment draw information. Towards the top of the page, you will find filters for specific regions, interviewers, a begin date, and end date. In the table below, you can review completed assignment information, view upcoming assignment information, have the ability to assign assignments to field interviewers or FIs, set the assignment status to canceled once in touch with the FI, select whether or not an assignment was QC'd, and if an intercept was observed on that QC or quality control visit. Please make sure that FIs are connecting their tablets to Wi-Fi on a regular basis to ensure that the most up-to-date list of assignments are downloaded to their tablet in the Dockside Interceptor application or DIA. To review a completed assignment's information, click on its control number. A pop-up window then appears with tables including the assignment summary, completed assignment details, and a list of intercepts from the assignment. The completed assignment details section allows you to view useful information including total intercepts, counts, initial refusals, and more. In the intercepts table below, you can view the individual's intercept and party structure information. If you click on an Intercepts ID code, you can review the expanded information and catch specifics for Type 2 and Type 3 catch. Here, you can submit a data change request if you notice a data issue. Click on the Change Request button. A pop-up window appears allowing you to select the column to edit and to enter a description for the data change needed. Please try to be as descriptive as possible with your comments to avoid any confusion and to prevent additional communication for data edit clarifications. Then, click the Save New Change Request button to complete the request. Additionally, you're also able to submit change requests at the intercept level. To do this, click on the desired intercept's ID code, then select the Change Request button to complete this change request at the intercept level. The Headboat Assignments page contains all information associated with Headboat Assignments and includes Headboat draw information. Towards the top of the page, you will find filters for specific interviewers, a begin date, and end date. In the table below, you can review completed Headboat assignment information, view unassigned assignments, schedule FIs or field interviewers to those assignments, reschedule assignments, change the assignment status if necessary, and set the reason for that change. If you run into a scenario where FIs for an assignment must be changed, move under the Int1 or Primary FI column, click into the cell and click the alternate FI. Follow the same process for the secondary FI under the Int2 column. Then click the Apply Changes button. Once done, inform those FIs and have them connect their tablets to Wi-Fi so the assignments will be downloaded and the DIA will contain their upcoming assignments. This process should be done whenever one or both of the FIs are switched for a Headboat assignment. Make sure previously assigned and newly assigned FIs given the assignment reconnect their tablets so they see the correct assignment information in the DIA and to prevent any upload or data issues upon assignment upload. To review a completed Headboat assignment's information, click on its control number. A pop-up window then appears with tables including the assignment summary, completed assignment details, and the intercepts from that assignment. The completed assignment details section allows you to view useful information including the total intercepts, counts, and initial refusals, and more. In the intercepts table below, you can view the individual intercepts and party structure information. If you click on an intercepts ID code, you can review the expanded information and catch specifics for Type 2, 3, and 9 catch. Here, you can also submit a data change request if you notice a data issue. Please reference the Site Assignments video on how to submit a data change request.